Okay, I'm going to teach you how to play Civil War by Guns N' Roses. The song is in E flat tuning or half step, and I'm going to teach you the intro. I'm going to probably cut this into a couple videos. So for the intro, it's going to be played on acoustic, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to teach it on electric. It's going to be based around like 2 or 3 chords. It's the E chord, the E minor chord, and then the G chord, and then I don't know what this chord is. It's just like the second fret on the D string, or only the second fret on the E string. But anyways, so the part that I'm going to teach you goes like this. Motherfucker, okay. I need to restart. That's how it goes. And you do that 3 times before I'm going to teach you a different part that you need to add to it. But anyways, so yeah, what I just played, that's going to be considered as like one piece, whatever, that you have to do 3 times. So here, I'll teach you the pattern. It's pretty simple. I'll play it slowly real quick. It's like the main pattern right there. So for the beginning, we're going to start on the 0 fret of the E string, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the D string, and then the 2nd fret of the A string. So we have, and then we're going to hit the 0 fret of the G string, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the D string. So we have, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the A string, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the D string again. So yeah, that's how you start it off. But then after that, we're not going to skip this string, because if you remember, we skipped it. We went like this, but not anymore. We're just going to go. So right now we have, but then we're going to go back to hitting the E string again of the 0 fret of the E string, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the A string, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the D string, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the A string again, and then the 0 fret on the G string, and the 2nd fret on the D, and then the 2nd fret on the A. So we have, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret on the D string again. So, crap. Yeah, that's basically what we have. But so far, we're just going to go like, that's what I've taught you so far. But it's not played like that for the second half. So basically, what it's going to go like is, so at the end, the hammer on it goes like the 0 fret of the A string, then we're gonna hammer onto the 2nd fret of the A string, and then hit the 0 fret on the D string. So we have, but the way that goes is, so when we do this, let's consider that 1, and on the second one we go, or on the second one we go, so that we would be going 0 on the E, 2 on the D, 2 on the A, 0 on the G, 2 on the D, and then we would do the hammer on, and then do the 0 on the D. So far we have, that's what I've taught you. Now we're going to do the same thing, except it's going to be a different chord. It's going to be the G chord, but we're only going to use like these 4 strings on top, the E, A, D, G, those strings. So it's the same pattern, but we're going to start it on the 3rd fret of the E string. So it's going to go 3 on E, and then 0 on D, and then it's going to be 2nd fret on the A. So yeah, and then it's going to hit the 0 on the G, So that's kind of the pattern we have. You can just position your fingers like this, and then it's the same pattern. So you do that twice again. But on the second time, we're also going to do another hammer-on with plucking the 0 fret on the D string. It's the same exact way. So we have there. So far you should have I'll do it really slow. That's what we should have. And then it's going to start over. So we're going to do the exact same thing on the E minor chord. So yeah, that's the exact same thing. So far we have that's what we got so far. And then we're going to do the same. We're going to go back to the G string, but we're only going to do it once, as in we're just going to do, that's all we're going to do. So we do the pattern, 3 on the E, 0 on the D, 2 on the A, 0 on the G, 0 on the D. So, and then we do the hammer on to the 2nd fret. So yeah, we have and then after that we're going to start on the 2nd fret of the E string, and then we're going to do the pattern. So we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the E string, then the 0 fret of the A string, and then the 0 fret of the D, and then the 0 fret of the A again, and then the 0, or no, not the 0, we're going to hit the 2nd fret of the G string, and then we're going to hit the 0 fret on the D again. I think it's another hammer. Let me check it again. Okay, no, it's going to be different. So after we hit the 2nd fret on the D string, we're going to hit the 0 fret on the G string. So we're going to go, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret on the D string, and then the 0 fret on the G string. So we're going to go, there you have it. So the whole thing goes. That's 1. And so you do that 3 times before you go into this next bit that I will teach you in the next video. I'm kind of recording this on my phone because this is like my first time doing this, so this might be pretty bad, but hopefully it's still good enough for you to learn from.